Hello everyone. Good afternoon. Ayan, magandang gabi po, magandang hapon, maayong gabi sa inyong tanan. Ayan, maya pagkapanapon, depende ko ng oras na, no? Kasi almost 6 PM na rin po. Ayan, naimbag na gabi. Ayan po, maya pabengi. Ano pa ba? Maayong gabi sa inyong tanan. Ayan po, sa ating mga kababayan po, sa buong nakikinig po sa South Korea, tsaka sa Pilipinas, yung mga nakasubaybay. So, magbibigay po tayo ngayon ng another update. Tungkol po ito sa Restaurant Industry Foreign Worker, E9, Employment Permit application. So, according po sa Ministry of Agriculture, Food and Rural Affairs ng South Korea po, nag-announce po sila ng pag-umpisa ng ikaapat na round of employment permit applications for foreign workers po, which is yung E9 na tinatawag or EPS visa holders. Ayan, under the employment permit system na tinatawag. So, ngayon pong taon, of course, magkakaroon ng first introduction of the program specifically for the restaurant industry. Ayan po. And then, sa Restaurant Industry Employment Permit system, may tinatawag na ganong klase ng system dito sa Korea, which is yung Restaurant Industry Employment Permit System. A pilot project po for 2024, which is this year. Ia-allow po yung mga owners ng businesses, ng restaurants tulad ng mga Korean restaurants, Chinese restaurant, Japanese restaurant, and other foreign restaurants operating po for more than 5 years to apply for a visa, which is yung tinatawag na EPS or E9 visa for foreign workers to serve as kitchen assistants. Ayan po. So, ito pong mga workers na to, of course, they can assist yung mga klase ng trabaho sa mga restaurant na nabanggit, yung klase ng mga restaurant, yung mga foreign restaurants. Ayan po. Tulad ng, of course, yung washing and preparing of vegetables and fruits. Ayan po, cleaning ng kitchen utensils, managing waste, and maintaining kitchen cleanliness. Ayan po. While foreign workers po, or E9 na tinatawag, in this system do not serve as food service staff who present menus and take orders. They can assist in serving food and clearing dishes po under the cooks in direction. So, inulit ko, while foreign workers for EPS in this system do not serve as food service staff who present menus and take orders, they can assist po in serving food and clearing dishes under the cook's direction. So, yung application po ng itong nasabing tawag dito, update na ito tungkol sa panibagong tawag dito, hinahanap na ikaapat na round ng employment, which is sa industriya ng restaurant industry. Ayan po. So, mag-umpisa ang permit. It will run from October 7 until October 18 po. Ayan. Inuulit ko, this application po, yung period nito mag-start October 7 up to October 18. Ayan. Restaurant owners po can apply for foreign worker permit, visa, which is yung E9 na tinatawag or EPS permit by visiting their local employment and labor office or via the Employment 24 website, which is www.work24.co.kr po. So, yung source po ng ating update is coming from Ministry of Agriculture, Food and Rural Affairs, which is meron din silang website, pwede nyo ring i-check, www.mefra.go.kr. So, yun lang po. Para sa mga iba pa katanungan, as long as kaya ko pong sagutin, pwede nyo po akong tanungin or tawagan. Ayan, depende po sa inyong mga questions. Ayan po, otherwise, i-refer ko kayo to someone po who's more appropriate po to answer your questions. Ayan po. So, yun lang naman. I hope nakatulong yung ating video sa mga makikinig at nagnanais na magtrabaho po dito sa South Korea. Tulad po ng industriya na aking nabanggit lang. Ayan po. So, you can share po yung ating video if you want. Kung yung makakilala kayo na gusto nila magtrabaho sa ganitong klase ng industry, yan po, you may do so. Ayan po. And please do kindly follow na rin po ating page and then share po yung ating mga details po. Every now and then, nagpo-post po talaga ako ng mga updates and on our TikTok account as well. Meron din ako mga post doon. So, yun lang. Salamat sa inyong oras. God bless everyone. Bye!